Hello guys, Hector from Flomix, Australia. Welcome back to the channel. Here we go again with one of these deck up tandem trailers with canopy on top to protect the equipment. Very similar of the ones we did in the past. 3 hose reels, same disposition on the side, and 18 inches on the right and the left side. 3/4 of the hose in the field line, and 3 5/8 on the Softwash line, 85 meters, and the one in the middle 12 inches of 60 meters of the pressure hose. 1.5-inch dump valve, which is gonna empty your buffer tank in a couple of minutes. 220 liters of the slimline tanks, really nice tanks that is gonna save you a lot of space in your builds. One on the right is the chlorine tank with a pickup on the top, and the filter inside of the tank. Red hose is for breathing purposes and filling the tank as well of chlorine. Left is the buffer tank with the electronic float valve, which is gonna give you a full 3/4 of the inch going through your tank, which is increasing. It's gonna increase your flow. 3-way valve there to prime the circuit, and a distribution block in there. These are our new hoses, the Rampage hoses. Really nice on the hand, flexible and really light as well. I think one of the best hoses I ever worked with. And now I've got a Rampage as well as on the Softwash hoses. We've got it in 5/8 on the website. We'll leave the link below. Turning around here is the Softwash unit. A complete Softwash unit with manifold and a bypass system to turn on and off chemicals, with the Softwash pump, which is the Udor 42 300 psi mounted in the skid, collar engine, and the unloader mounted on the side for you to dial up pressures and down, so you don't have to use full pressure all the time. For example, applying chemicals, and then for rinsing you turn it up, or you can just play with the RPMs in the engine. Here we got the 25 liters soap tank in there, plenty, and underneath we got some storage in there for the surface cleaner, poles, brushes, whatever you want to put in there, and an additional drawer in here, a custom-made drawer, a massive drawer for your consumables, tools, or whatever you wanted to put in here. It's got 2 stoppers, one in the middle and one in the back, so even if it's tilted, ain't not going anywhere until you press the left down and put it back in. We've got a new remote system in here, which is it's got a 6 kilometers range. You can drop it for 2 levels and it still be alive. You can put it underwater, and it's got a feedback system as well. So if you're out of range because you are in 3 levels garage and your pumps are on top, and you can, the red light, it will light up in there for you to let you know. Simple as clicking here, you can turn on and off chemicals. So now you are running chemicals through your chemicals line, so SH is going from to SH and soap to soap. Once you turn it off, water is going through the SH this time, and soap will be remaining closed. So talking about the feedback system, if I turn off the system, if I click the button, you can see it's going red. It's telling you that is out of range, or there is some problems in the system. Walking around this area, there is our pressure washer in there, which is a 21 liter 3600 psi skid mounted aluminum skid and collar engine. 3 years warranty in this collar engine, and very powerful machine for residential and commercial. It's got installed as well a deflector for sending the gases out of the canopy, and our meter on the top, on the bottom, to get on top of your services. This unit as well is coming with a remote start, so you can start and stop the remote, the engine from your remote control as well, which is really handy. You got plenty of storage space in here. You can use it for storing your new drone, for example, or maybe a DI system and a hose reel on top facing that time, or just for storing your stuff. Depends on what you wanted to do. There is an option to get a between pressure washer in here, not a problem. So it's very customable, this unit. This is side picture of our Softwash pump in there, and yeah, really compact unit, easy to tow, really light, very powerful build that it will do everything what you need to do in your commercial and residential washes. If it's something of your interest, get in touch with us. We can slightly upgrade this system, so even do it more economical as well if you require to. And thank you so much for looking, and please subscribe to the channel. There is some other cool videos coming in the near future. Thank you so much, and all the best. Cheers.